Alright, guys. Cinnamon challenge. Let me get my spoon filled up. Me and my friend will be doing this together. Alright. Ta-da. It's gonna suck. Come on, brother. Oh, shit. You're fucked. Alright,
I can't do it.
No, come on.
Put some back. That's not a teaspoon. That's like 4 teaspoons.
Alright, come on. Come on.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna try it. Oh! Oh! I didn't drink. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my god. Your mom's gonna kill us.
Oh my god, dude.
That was horrible. Okay, stop the recording. Stop the recording. Oh my god.